So when you first log in, all your queue managers will have a PIN code to access their screen. And this also helps us track their performance and performance reports. So, and there's also another layer of security. It's where you can enter folks in. If you choose attorney, police, or both, it moves them right up front in the queues. And now I'm added to the queue. If I don't show or what have you, they can click delete. That removes me from the queue, but records me as an abandoned the queue. Like, in other words, an unsuccessful transaction or engagement. Here's my name. Click on my name. I have a thing called case file. So in the docket gets uploaded. Information's provided here, like my case number, citation number, my statute. Staff's able to make notes as they move the individual through the queue by noting. Click and save. And that's visible over here, so they don't actually, to make things efficient, they don't have to click on the defendant's name to find out what the message is. And all this is private. It's only shared between the queue managers. If somebody's trying to serve somebody to come to the courtroom or cashier, they don't click move back. And if there's folks behind them, it'll move back 3 spaces. This is where you can transfer the person to the next step in their journey. So in this case, we'd say probably cashier. And cashier is going to get a tone. And he'll open it up and see that Brandon's here. If you want to include a find so that cashier knows what it is, you do that as well. And so now that Brandon's here, he's in this line, and when it's time for him to be served, we'll click call, and it's going to show a timestamp and number of times he's been notified. And when Brandon is completed, so completes his journey, let's put it that way, like went from the court, went to the cashier, that's when we would click heard. That will remove him from the queue system and record him in a report as like a successful transaction. That digital docket on-premise suite before COVID, you have the check-in kiosk. And this is where we would add those additional collection fields that you're looking for. Also, this would go into a kiosk pre-COVID. Now, because this is a web-based form, render on your website, we'd embed it, and it'd be actually a mobile form. And this is an example of what it would look like in a mobile form, either pushed out to them by a notification or just coming to your website and clicking on a remote portal. And that would enable you to keep them outside of the court and bring them in 1 or 2 at a time to maintain your social distance occupancy. Well, I hope this is helpful. I wanted to get this over to you as soon as possible. I'll send you a few more. Thanks.